Despite the potential risks and losses associated with property investment, many investors are still underinsured, especially in Australia. This means that they do not have sufficient insurance cover to protect themselves and their investment in the event of loss or damage. One of the main reasons why property investors are still underinsured is a lack of awareness about the importance of insurance. Many investors may not fully understand the potential risks and losses associated with property investment and may therefore not see the need for comprehensive insurance coverage. As a result, they may only purchase the minimum amount of insurance required by law or may not have insurance at all. Another reason why property investors are still underinsured is the cost of insurance. Comprehensive property insurance can be expensive, and some investors may be hesitant to invest in such coverage if they perceive it as an unnecessary expense. They may view insurance as an unnecessary burden on their budget and may choose to save money by purchasing only the minimum amount of coverage required, not knowing that not having insurance coverage will only cost them more in the long run. In addition, some property investors may be underinsured because they're not aware of the full range of insurance options available to them. They may not realise that there are different types of insurance cover for different types of property, and that some types of coverage may be more appropriate for their investment than others. As a result, they may not be adequately protected against potential losses or damage. Overall, property investors are still underinsured due to a lack of awareness about the importance of insurance, the cost of insurance, and a lack of knowledge about the full range of insurance options available. It is therefore very important that property investors educate themselves about the importance of insurance and to invest in comprehensive coverage that adequately protects their investment.
Follow us on our social media pages. You can find us on Facebook, MCG Quantity Surveyors Tax Depreciation Experts, on Instagram, at MCG Quantity Surveyors, and on LinkedIn, MCG Quantity Surveyors. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos answering the real estate industry's frequently asked question and other fun content. Don't forget to like and share this video.